next 11 minutes, we'll learn the piano accompaniment for Stuck on You by Lionel Richie in the original key. For reference, here's middle C. And we're learning the accompaniment in the key of F major, which has only one flat, B flat. Let's see what the intro sounds like. Our first chord is F major, where we'll play F, C, F on our left. On our right, we'll play C, F, and A together. So we have this for F major. Our next chord is A minor, with A, E, and A on our left. On our right, we'll play C, E, and A together. So that's A minor chord. So we have F major and A minor. Then we have B flat major with B flat, F, and B flat on our left hand. On our right, we'll play only D and F together because B flat is already taken by our left hand. Alternatively, I prefer to play a B flat major 9 chord instead of a B flat major by adding a C on my right hand. So this is B flat major, and this is B flat major 9. Next is B flat over C, with C, G, and C on our left hand. Then we have F on our right, and then we have C on our left, and E on our right for our C major chord. So B flat over C, and C major. For a fuller sound, I like to play B flat, D, and F together on my right for B flat over C. So we have F major, A minor, B flat major 9, B flat over C, and C major. And here's the simpler version. This chord progression is played twice for the intro. You can use this exact chord progression for the verse sections as well. If you're accompanying yourself while you sing, you might find it hard to play broken chords while you sing. So an easier way to play the accompaniment is to play solid chords. We'll play F major, A minor, B flat major 9, B flat over C, and C major with C on the left and C, E, and G on the right. So we have B flat over C and C major. So reviewing that again, we have F major, A minor, B flat major 9, B flat over C, and C major. And we'll play this chord progression 4 times for each verse section. Right after each verse, there's a turnaround section which sounds like this. The first part of this turnaround reminds me of Eric Clapton's Wonderful Tonight. What do you guys think? By By the way, I also have a tutorial for Eric Clapton's Wonderful Tonight. See the description section for the link. Alright, so we'll cover the melody on the right hand first. We'll start with A, G, F, G. Then we have A, G, F, D. Let's repeat that again. Then we have C, D, F, G, F, D, C, D, and F. So again, we have this. On the left hand, we'll play our chords with F, C, and F for F major, A, E, and A for A minor, B flat, F, and B flat for B flat major, and C and G for C major. So F major, A minor, B flat major, C major, and back to F major. Putting both hands together, we have this. Let's repeat that again. What I like to do is play A and C together on the right instead of just the A to add a bit more volume to the melody. So it will sound like this. The second half of the turnaround sounds like this. Let's look at the last part. On the right, we have C, D, F, D, C, A, G, and F. With hands together, the second part sounds like this. Let's play the entire turnaround. This brings us to the bridge, which sounds like this. Our first chord is B flat major with B flat on the left and B flat, D, and F played together on the right. Next is C major with C on the left and C, E, and G played together on the right. Then we have F major with F on the left and C, F, and A played together on the right. Keeping the same notes on our right hand, we'll move only our left hand from F to D to give us our D minor 7. So the chord progression is B flat major, C major, F major, and D minor 7. And we'll repeat those 4 chords again. Then we have B flat major, C major, and this. The chords here are F major, C over E with E on the left, and C, E, G on the right. So B flat major, C major, F major, C over E, and D minor 7. From here, we'll play C major, and D minor 7. And this is played twice. Then we have B flat for the full bar, and B flat over C, and then C. Let's review the bridge. B flat major, C major, F major, and D minor 7. We'll repeat those chords again. Then we have B flat major, C major, F major, C over E, and D minor 7. C major, D minor 7, C major, D minor 7, B flat major, B flat over C, and C major. Then for the outro, we'll just play the turnaround. And slow down at the end like so. If you're a fan of Lionel Richie, you'll love my best performing tutorial for Easy by the Commodores here.